Alright, this is a antique brass FASCO Vanity Fair at Casa del Russian, who's splayed out all sexy for you. This came from Charles Smith. Yeah, we're going to need the lights on. You know what year this is from?
I think 89.
Sounds about right. With the canopy and everything.
Yeah, Charles is a video of this fan too. I'm sure he says the year in that video, so I can always double check that later.
Mm-hmm. Honestly, this should just be on all the time. Nice breeze down the stairs.
Yeah, I usually keep it on lower medium whenever I'm home.
Powerful little bugger. That's that one.